Softens fine lines. 100% pure apricot oil is a rejuvenating natural oil that's ideal for softening fine lines and restoring a healthy glow to skin. Moisturizes dry hair / non-GMO project verified / vegan / hexane free, rich in essential fatty acids. This gentle oil has excellent restorative properties that promote soft, radiant hair and help to soothe dry skin. Now Solutions is the next step in the evolution of personal care products, formulated with the finest functional ingredients from around the world. Now Solutions products avoid harsh chemical ingredients in our formulations, to provide a more natural product line. Now Solutions products are not tested on animals. Now Solutions products are analytically tested to assure the highest quality. GMP quality assured, now closely adheres to both mandatory U.S. FDA current Good Manufacturing Practices, CGMP, regulations and Voluntary Natural Products Association, NPA, Good Manufacturing Practices, GMP, regulations. Good manufacturing practices ensure compliance with sanitation, processing, documentation, and testing requirements that are designed to promote consistent, highly reproducible product quality and safety. Packaged in the USA by a family-owned and operated company since 1968. During the summer months, products may arrive warm, but Amazon stores and ships products in accordance with manufacturers' recommendations, when provided. Top reviews from the United States. Great moisturizer. Does not leave clothes stained. Have used it all over my growing belly and breast after every shower while pregnant to help moisturize so that skin doesn't feel tight. Soaks up quicker than jojoba.